Students, now we'll be solving for D. 2 log 10 5 plus log 10 8 minus log 10 2. Okay, this is what we'll be solving. Now we have learned, I hope you remember the three fundamental laws of logarithm. Whenever there is an exponent, we write the number before the log. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll write the number before the log as an exponent. So this is how we'll be writing it. Log 10 5 square. See, 2 is written as an exponent of 5, and the rest we will write it as it is, log 10 8 minus log 10 2. Now to solve this, we'll have to use the fundamental laws of logarithm. I hope you remember the fundamental laws of logarithm, right? The first fundamental law, we'll be using two fundamental laws of logarithm. The first one is the law of products, that is law of multiplication, and in that, you know that if log is mn, right, then it can be written as log m plus log n, right? So this is the law of product, and the other one is the log of quotient. If we have log m by n, right, then it can be written as log m minus log n. So we will be using these two laws of logarithm to solve this problem further. Okay, I'm going to erase these laws. I hope you remember it, and I want you to remember this so that based on these you'll be able to solve these kind of questions. Alright, first we'll be using the law of products. Okay, and here what we'll do is, because it's a square, so first let us write down the value of this. So it is going to be log 10 5 square is 25 plus log 10 8 minus log 10 2. I hope you are able to follow what I'm doing. Okay, you will understand it much better if you remember those fundamental laws of logarithm. Now here we'll be using those fundamental laws of logarithm, right? You remember that plus is used for the law of product, negative is used for the law of quotient or law of fraction or division. Okay, so we'll be using that law to solve the question further. I think I'll have to erase the upper part so that we'll have more space to solve it. Alright, you notice here that the base numbers are same, right? The base numbers are 10, 10 and 10. So we will write log 10, right? What do we have to do when the base numbers are added with the exponents? We have to multiply it, right? I've just explained to you a while ago about those two laws of fundamental laws of logarithm. So what we're going to do here is we will be multiplying 25 and 8, and there is minus log 10 2. So whenever it is a minus, that will move as a denominator, right? So this exponent we will write as the denominator. Okay, you keep it in your mind. Whenever it is a plus, the exponents will multiply. Whenever it is minus, the exponent will be written as a denominator. Okay, I hope you will remember that. Now when we solve this, how much will we get? 2 1 2 2 4s are 8, 25 4s are 100, right? So we get it as 100. I'll quickly erase so that we can solve it further. Right, so is equal to log 10, and how much did we get? 25 4s are 100, right? 25 4s are 100. Now 10 we can factorize by division method, right? Now 10 square, when we multiply 10 two times, we get 100, right? So here we can write this as log 10 square, right? Log 10 square. Now you remember a special case that I have been explaining to you, That special case is if log, base and the number is same, then we write it as 1. Here you see that the numbers are same, right? 10 and 10. So here we can write it as log 10 and 10, a and a, the value is the same, so we will write it as 1. Okay, actually we will not write log, we'll just write the value 1, and 1 into 2, right? 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. And so this is the answer for this question. Alright, there is one more thing you have to remember. There is one more way how you can do this, using the law of exponent. Right, using the law of exponent, I hope you remember. What do? We write the exponent before the log, right? And so it will be log 2 log 10 10. And because according to this special case log 10 10 is 1, we'll write it as 2 into 1. And so 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So this is your answer. I hope you have understood this. Again, like I said, you can go through the video again and again to understand it much better. Okay, keep learning and keep practicing. And like I always have been telling, at least in a day, half an hour spend time to do maths. Okay, and if you solve 2 problems in a day, minimum 2 problems in a day, that is more than enough. It will help your mind to understand how to do solutions and how to do calculations. Alright, so I hope you have understood this, and the rest of the problems you can try to do it by yourself.